Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today we will read about your favorite almond milk. Is it suitable for people with diabetes? Its benefits with a simple recipe. Let us begin. Diabetes comes with several complications, so managing the disease is very important, especially when it comes to food habits. People with high sugar levels usually worry about including milk in the diet for many reasons. Several alternatives like almond milk and soy milk are highly preferable over cow's milk when you have diabetes. Now let us see the benefits of almond milk for diabetes. Almond milk is rich in vitamin E, potassium and magnesium, which makes an excellent choice for diabetic patients. The presence of non-saturated fats in almond milk is healthy for people who have diabetes. Also, when you have unsweetened almond milk, you are taking zero carbohydrates, that is useful for controlling diabetes-related complications, and it is heart-friendly. It is low in fat and calories, thus you may effectively manage your weight. For example, 1 cup of skimmed milk has 85 calories, whereas almond milk has only 30 units of calories. Protein is necessary for your diet when you have diabetes, so drinking almond milk fulfills its requirement. The nutrients in almond milk helps to boost metabolism, thus help in the treatment of diabetes. Almond milk is rich in calcium that is much required when you have diabetes. Now please note down a recipe of diabetes-friendly almond milk smoothie. Please see the ingredients. You need apple, half cup chopped, natural peanut butter 1 tablespoon, almond milk 1 cup and 4 ice cubes. Now let us see how to prepare the smoothie. Add all the ingredients into the blender. Blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and serve chilled. Thus you may say that almond milk is an excellent choice for diabetes and an ultimate replacement for dairy that has sweet, pleasant flavor and is highly preferable over milk. Thank you.